Hi guys, so let's discuss bid strategies. So within Google Ads there is various different strategies you can use within each of your campaigns. And I'd say there's three core different areas that you might have in terms of a strategy. So you have brand awareness, where you want to increase your awareness of the brand, grow your impressions. So you might use something like a target impression share or a target cost per thousand impression strategy to help you to achieve this for your campaign. The next strategy is to grow traffic to your website. So you want to maximise your clicks. There's a maximise clicks bid strategy available in Google Ads, or you can always use enhanced CPCs or manual CPCs to drive traffic to your website. Finally, it's going to be conversions, and this is the area that most campaigns will be targeting to, growing conversions for your website or sales. So a conversion can be an end transaction, or it can actually be a lead form fill-in or a phone call to the business, whatever you deem a conversion for your business. So there's different conversion strategies within Google Ads, and the main one that you're potentially going to use is CPA targeting. So this is cost per acquisition, so think of it as cost per conversion. You can assign a goal, so maybe your cost per target CPA is £10, and Google will optimise in order to try and achieve the most conversions for the £10 CPA strategy. When you have a transactional based website, you also have bid strategies such as the likes of return on ad spend. So you might have a target ROAS of 400%, for example. You can assign this within your campaign in Google Ads as a target ROAS bid strategy of 400%, and Google will optimize towards that. It's important to understand that Google's algorithms are basically based off machine learning, and it does require data in order to optimize effectively. So whenever you start a new bid strategy, there will be a learning phase, and it is best practice to make sure you've got enough conversions within your account for Google to optimize towards if you're going to use a conversion bid strategy. So as many conversions as possible, ideally 30 within a 30-day window would be best as a minimum, to make sure that Google has some data to learn off and to optimize towards to get the most success from an automated bidding strategy. Until that time, I would recommend using manual CPCs so you can have some real control over the bids and optimize your account effectively in line with what you want to achieve and the results that you're seeing from the campaign at the time.